I'm going to use a coffee example. This is the coffee value chain. You can participate in this value chain anywhere. If I gave you the option today of entering the coffee market, where would you want to enter? On this side or on this side? Why? You say over there. Why? Money. Because the coffee farmer doesn't make as much as Starbucks. How many of you here are Starbucks drinkers? A few. Quite a few. I'm actually surprised. So, did you know that Starbucks did not start by offering an experience? For 17 years, Starbucks never served coffee. For 17 years, Starbucks did this. All they did was to buy beans, roast them, grind them, and package them and sell them. That's what Starbucks did for 17 years. And then they decided to offer an experience. The good news is that if you are in the telco business, you too can be anywhere along this value chain. I'm suggesting to you today that for those who want to differentiate and create extra value, you might want to consider the far right. So you were correct. There's money. But the question is, how do you create that experience? So let's look at how Starbucks created that experience. The first thing that Starbucks did was they made coffee personal. How do you make coffee personal? What is personal about a cup of warm brown water? Starbucks has done it. What they did was they asked you to tell them what you want in your coffee and how much of it you want. So those of you who raised your hands and said you go to Starbucks, you get to determine what the ingredients that go. That's the ultimate in personalization. You get to package it the way you want it. If you're a telco, if you're an ISP, ask yourself, how personal is the service that you're offering today? Can subscribers pick and choose however they want it? I'll give you an example. Some companies offer a consumer the option of picking what day the bill comes on. Some companies don't offer you that option. They just say the bill comes on the 30th of the month. If you want the ultimate in personalization, tell the consumer, you tell me, I'm going to bill you every 30 days, but tell me the date you want to receive the bill. You choose. But that's what Starbucks has done with coffee. You choose. And then they even write your name on it just to make sure it's your cup of coffee. It's personal. And then they've created an environment. When you go to a Starbucks, you have Wi-Fi. You have music. That has nothing to do with the product. That has nothing to do with your interaction with Starbucks employees. It's just the environment. They want to create the environment for you to enjoy your cup of Starbucks coffee. Does anybody have the Starbucks app? There's an app. Why are they providing the app? You earn points. Just like in the aviation industry, you earn points and you get rewards. That has nothing to do with the product itself and whether the product satisfies you. It has to do whether you're satisfied with the brand called Starbucks. It makes you loyal to the brand. And so when I said there is product, there is interaction, and there is the brand, you can see what Starbucks is doing with their brand. They offer other values beyond the product or the service. In some countries, I don't know in Sao Paulo whether you have drive-in Starbucks. Is there drive-in Starbucks? Not yet. It's coming tomorrow. But in some countries, they have drive-in, which means convenience. Two years ago, when I first started going to Starbucks, I received a birthday card from Starbucks. Nobody sends me birthday cards. My family used to send me birthday cards. My brothers used to send me birthday cards. They stopped. But Starbucks sent me a birthday card. They're my new best friend. But that's called intimacy. When you think of your service, and if I take all the words off this chart, don't you want people to think these things about your company and your service? It's convenient, it's intimate, they're loyal to you, it's personal. These are the things that you want. And so my challenge to those of us in this industry is, can we do with broadband what Starbucks has done for brown water?